I absolutely love this craft kit. This is by Ecoofor, and they sent this to me so that I could review it and share it with you. So let me see what's inside this kit. This is a beaded flower pot kit. So you can see there's flower pots, and then there's 3 different plants that you can make. Everything is in the kit that you need. These are all the instructions. Like I said, there are 3 different plants that you're gonna make. It comes with wire cutters. Move these things up here. These are the flower pots that it come with. They are plastic. They look like clay pots. Oops. Those do not go with the pots. Let's take those out. There we go. But these are small clay pots. You also get the floral foam, which you're going to cut to fit inside the pots. Let's take that out. You get gold wire and green wire. You also get a little scoop for the beads. So then these are bead trays, so you can scoop the beads and put them in here so that they're easier to get a hold of. You get the wire to cut the foam, so they have really thought of everything. And then here are the beads. And this is moss to put on top of the foam to cover the foam up after you put it in your pot. Now, I have not opened the beads up yet. Hopefully I can do this without making a mess. Oh, these are very nice. So we have lots of different sizes. These are very tiny. You can see how small that is. And it does have a hole in it. The instructions, I did look at the instructions. The instructions were very good and very helpful to tell you exactly which beads to use, which colors, which size. And because they're all sorted like this, this is going to go together really easily. And I like that these come in an organizer. They're not in little plastic bags. Look at these. These are so pretty. Little tiny flower beads. And then here is like a peach color bead. And that's a little flower. And here's pink. I cannot tell if these are plastic or glass beads. Some of them do feel like glass beads, and they do have some weight to them, but some of them feel like they may be plastic, so I'm not sure. This one is lighter, so I'm thinking this one is probably plastic, but look at that. It's lavender, and it has gold tips. Very, very pretty. And then these are leaves, but very, very pretty. This kit was very, very well done, well thought out. I read through the instructions. It's gonna be a project that's gonna take some time, but not necessarily be very difficult. A little bit challenging, but not anything that's gonna be too difficult. So I cannot wait to get started with this, but I love all-in-one kits like this where you don't have to go to the craft store and pick out all your supplies. Everything is picked out for you. Very nicely packaged in this really nice box, so perfect for giving as a gift. But this is going to make a nice rainy day project.